If your project goal includes castings, we provide a one-stop shop for casting production, which includes a variety of tooling build methods and molding techniques. This flexibility assures the lowest cost and shortest lead time.
To give you some context here,
Casting production
is just one part of a proven three-phase system that we developed to do one thing: deliver better than original short-run or legacy castings.
Hi, I'm Marty Rank, General Manager of Odin Casting. We digitally engineer critical replacement parts for companies in oil and gas, mining, power generation, chemical, pulp and paper, and municipal markets. Have questions or a part we can evaluate for you? Click the button below this video to schedule a time to chat with me. If nothing else, you'll come away with a better understanding of the digital casting process and how it can benefit you in the long run. Thanks for watching. I look forward to talking to you.